Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some cowboy ribeye steak. Yes, I'm just in the mood for steak today, so here it is, thick and nice. Whenever you're gonna do your steak, make sure you take it out for at least 30 minutes to get to room temperature at least. So I washed my steak and I have it out about an hour now, so I'm gonna go ahead and pat dry it. Okay, dry both sides. I wash my steak, guys. I do wash my steak. I have to wash my meat. Yeah, so go ahead and dry that. Okay, so first I'm gonna go ahead and add some black pepper to my meat, both sides. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt. I don't have any kosher salt, so I'm gonna use the table salt. I'm gonna work with what I have today, guys. Work with what you got, okay? So that's what I'm doing today. Oh, that's some garlic powder, and I'm gonna add some onion powder. Gonna add some garlic. I know my video is a mess today, but I'm in a hurry. Yeah, so this is what it is today. It is what it is, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and rub that in because I chose the ribeye because of the bone and because of the fattiness in the meat. That's what's gonna give the meat the perfect flavor, okay? And the slower the better. I'm gonna go ahead and put my steak on this baking sheet with this tray here. It's a cookie cooler thing. Like when you bake your cookie, you can put it on there to cool, or your cake or whatever. They're at Walmart. That's where I got this one. So pick up yours there, okay? This is not sponsored. I know I told you guys earlier, I made a mistake and said 200 degrees. It's 250 degrees, guys. Sorry. For 40 minutes, okay? Sorry about that. While that's in the oven, baking on 250 degrees for 40 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and make a simple steak butter. So here, butter. There we go. I believe that's 2 tablespoons of butter. 2 tablespoons of butter there. I'm gonna add some black pepper. Sorry guys, I'm holding the tripod, so the damn camera is shaking. Shit, I think this pepper is finished. I'm gonna add some onion powder to that. Garlic powder. My favorite garlic, minced garlic. Then I'm gonna add some parsley. I'm gonna go ahead and combine everything together. Then I'm just gonna rest it in the refrigerator to paste on my steak once it's finished. Are you guys getting the drift? Yeah. After 40 minutes of baking, this is how the steak is looking. Okay. In a skillet, guys, you're gonna put some cooking oil, just a bit, and I'm just waiting here for it to get very hot, very hot. Okay, let it sit there. Try not to move it for like 5 minutes or so. So here I'm gonna have some fresh thyme, some rosemary, some butter, how can we forget our garlic? Okay, guys, don't want to forget the garlic. Put it there. That one there. Just let it fry. Then we're gonna baste the meat with all that buttery goodness there. Okay. All right. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and baste that bad boy. Baste it. I'm going to bake this steak with some buttery thyme, rosemary, and garlic butter. Bake it. Okay, ready? There you have it. Our steak. One of the other thing that you're gonna do is cover this and let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes. That way you don't want to cut it now and all of the goodness run out of the meat. So if you set it to cool, all of the juice will settle in the meat and keep all that goodness. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cover this and let it sit for 10 minutes. Okay, all right guys, here's the steak. See how it's looking. It's tender. Just the way I like it. I don't like it too raw or too red. That's how I like it. Yep. Have it. Ribeye steak. There you have it.